Aloha swimmers, it's time for swim school. My name is Miss Jenny and I'm the co-founder of Goldfish Swim School. We are so excited to bring you goldfish at home. We know it might seem a little strange swimming without a pool, but that's okay. We are going to take all of the fun that we have at Goldfish every day, from swimming to celebrating, and bring it to you wherever you are right now. Like this video and subscribe so that you'll know when new videos come out. Also, check out goldfishswimschool.com to find your closest Goldfish Swim School. There's an activity page on our website for some more fantastic activities as well to help you make a splash at home. All right, let's get moving. Hi guys, welcome to our lesson today. We are going to be celebrating superheroes today, and this is my superhero Reed. He is going to help us with a special mission to get Bubbles back to Goldfish Swim School, and I think I know some swim skills that are going to help us do just that. So please join us, okay? So grab your superhero map to help follow along, and if you don't have it yet, you can pause the video and look in the description below. Okay, so what we're going to need for this lesson is a mat or a towel to lay down on, and then a couch or a bed, something soft that you can lay on to practice some more swim skills, okay? So we'll give you a few moments, fly to those places, make sure you got everything, and we'll meet you back here in a few. Okay, we made it to our first spot. We are gonna practice those kickers and kick those bad guys away because they're chasing us. All right, so let's lay down on our mats. Reed's gonna lay with his belly down and arms stretch out like a superhero would fly through the air. And we're gonna start up those kickers, those fast little flutter kicks that we've been practicing. Good job. Point those toes, just a little bit of bend in the knee, and kick those bad guys away. Good job. He's flying like a superhero. You guys join us. You're doing great. All right, let's kick those guys away. 15 seconds. Ready, go. Good job. Kapow, splat, zoom. You guys are awesome. I think you got those bad guys. They are gone. Nice work. Okay, let's get to our next spot. It says we have to add our pullers with our kickers now, okay? So let's lay down on our bellies. All right, we're gonna do our pulls with our kicks and get those bad guys away. Kapow, zoom, wham, just like that. Good job. So kicks and pulls, you guys join us. Good job. Keep those fingers together so you can pull all that water. Whoa, Reed's doing great. Are you guys being awesome superheroes at home? I bet you are. Good job. Keep going, we're almost there. Nice job. Kazami, you guys are awesome. Good job, guys. I think we got away from those bad guys. Nice work. Awesome job, guys. Way to make it to our third spot. All right, so our next mission is to do super jumps, all right? So I'm gonna do 4 for every bad guy that I got. How many bad guys do you get?
3.
3? Okay, so what's 4 plus 3? Let's see.
7.
7, you're right. Okay, so let's do 7 super jumps. You ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Whew, my legs are super tired, but that is what we need. We need strong superhero legs if we're gonna be superheroes, right?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Good job, guys, you're doing great. Nice job on another mission complete. So the next thing on our map says that we need to float on our bellies and look through our X-ray vision to look for bad guys, okay? So let's get down on our mats, and we are gonna use that X-ray vision and look for some bad guys. So arms and legs slightly open like this, eyes down, because remember, that's the best way to float. Good job. All right, put on that X-ray vision. Do you see bad guys?
Yeah.
Yeah, do you guys see bad guys at home? Oh no, I think I see 5 bad guys down there. Let's count to 5 together. We'll count all those guys and then get away, okay? Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Phew. All right, we made it. I see a lot of bad guys. We're gonna have to use our superpowers to get those guys out of here. All right? Good job, guys. You are awesome superheroes so far. Okay, now it's time to fly to our next mission. So let's lay down on our bellies and fly like superheroes trying to save the day. All right, so arms straight out, just like a Superman float that we would do in swim lesson. Close to your ears like Superman flies, legs close together, and freeze everything. And fly through the air, okay? Just like superheroes do. Good job, you are cruising. Nice work. I think I see our next mission, and it says to lay on our backs and take a rest. Superheroes need rest too. Do you guys see that on your maps? Okay, so we've been working really hard, so let's take a rest just like we do in the pool at Goldfish, okay? So we're gonna open up our arms and legs, head back, belly up, and take a nice superhero rest. But we are busy superheroes, so we really only have a few seconds to rest. So let's count to 10 on our backs, take a nice relaxing rest, and get ready to fight some more crime, okay? Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whew, that was a good rest. Are you all ready to fight again? All right, are you guys ready to go? We have some more crime to fight, let's go. We're so close to saving Bubbles. We need to get on to our next mission, okay? So we're gonna work on our rollover breaths, and this is something we do in the pool to work on getting a breath safely when we're swimming, okay? So we're gonna lay on our bellies, and we're gonna practice our kicks and pulls, and oh, I see bad guys down there though. Oh my goodness. Okay, so when I say tap, tap, like this, Reed's gonna roll over, take a breath, and then I'm gonna say tap, tap, and he's gonna roll back over and keep flying like a superhero, okay? So you guys do it too. We're gonna swim through the air and fly, and when I say tap, tap, roll over. Take a breath. Oh, we just dodged those bad guys. Good job, guys. All right, tap, tap, keep going. Good job, you're doing awesome. Oh my gosh, I see more bad guys. Oh no, let's dodge them. Tap, tap, roll over, take a breath. Tap, tap, keep on flying. Good job, let's do it one more time. Tap, tap, phew, we got away from those guys. Take a breather. Tap, tap, good job, keep on flying. All right, we're off to our next mission. Nice job, guys. Okay, so our next mission says that we need to find that soft bed or couch to practice climbing out of the pool with our fin belly flippers. All right, so we'll give you a few seconds to get there and we will meet you there. All right, did you guys find your spot? Perfect. We found this couch that we are going to practice climbing away from the bad guys. We need to climb up and over a building to get away from them, okay? So we're going to use our fins, which are our elbows, our arms right here, and then our bellies and our flippers to climb out. So watch us. Reed's going to show us. Ready? We're going to go fin, belly, flipper. He escaped. Good job. All right, let's try it again. You guys do it with us. Ready? Fin, belly, flipper. He's doing great. Good job, guys. All right, let's do it again. I'm going to do it with you guys. Ready? Fin, belly, flipper. Whoa, high five, Reedy. I think we escaped those bad guys. Good job. Okay, guys, we made it to our last mission, and that is to defeat the kryptonite before we can get to Bubbles, okay? Do you know what kryptonite is? It's what hurts superheroes, so we have to get away from it, okay? So we're gonna practice our jumping in and turning around and grabbing the wall. So that's a safety skill we do at Goldfish, where we know that if we jump in the pool, we fall in the pool, the safest, fastest way to get out is just to turn right back around and climb out at the wall that we fell in it, okay? So we're gonna try that together. So the kryptonite is down here, and when I say superheroes ready, go, we're gonna jump in and turn around and climb out. Ready? Superheroes ready, go. Oh no, it's kryptonite, we gotta get out. Fin, belly, flipper. Phew, we made it. Did you guys make it out? Let's try it again, okay? Just to make sure we got it. All right, come on, Reedy. Ready? Superheroes, ready, go, jump. Oh no, get away from the kryptonite. Fin, belly, flipper. Oh, phew, that was a close call. We made it though. Good job, guys. Wow, we made it all the way to Goldfish Swim School to bring Bubbles home. You guys were such awesome superheroes. Super thank you for swimming with us today. We had so much fun. We'll see you next time. High five for another fantastic swim lesson. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you'll get updated when new videos come out. Remember, practice these skills as much as you can so that when it's time to jump back into the goldfish pool, you'll be ready to show off those swim skills for Bubbles. We can't wait to see you.